What's up, guys? Day Trading Knockouts here. Today, I got a very short video for you. It's just going to cover over what happened today with very choppy price action. And we're also going to have this be related to the FOMC press conference. We're going to have this Wednesday with Jerome Powell speaking. So, without a doubt, let's get into this short little video that I got for you guys. So, as you can see here on today's session, we did have very choppy activity. And this is something that it does, again, the market is never guaranteed for something to specifically happen. However, this is something that I typically would see, especially whenever it comes to Jerome Powell. Any speeches that are coming up, guys. So, and the reason for that being is because bigger institutions are looking to hold their positions until the big volatility spikes happen after Jay Powell speaks. So that is typically why something like this happens. And as I mentioned on my weekend analysis, this is why I typically do not trade 2 days before, 1 day before, or the day of any FOMC pref conference. Sometimes you do have training days, sometimes you don't. But again, it's a little bit too iffy for me, and I like to be very picky with my types of trades. So with that being said, that's why I choose not to. I'm not saying you can't. I am pretty iffy on the day of because it is pretty volatile, but I'll let you know like the day before, 2 days before, you can. I'm just letting you know specifically what I do. But if I was to look for a setup, because I'm not going to be trading tomorrow or Wednesday, I will trade Thursday, Friday. So lucky for me, I ended up green on the month, 2 months in a row, so making progress there. But without getting too distracted, if I did decide to do a trade tomorrow or look for trades tomorrow, the weekend analysis still remains due to the fact that we opened and closed around the same area. And basically, as you can see here, 509.30, look for a look above and fail there. And 506.50, look for a look below and fail there. We did open a little bit on the higher end of the range, but again, nevertheless, it's still okay. And we did open above it, so you might want to change it. But I still would say that would be overall the type of thing I would look for. If I was to make a change, though, instead of looking for a 15-minute failure against the trend to the upside on 509.30, I probably would move it up to my next key level of structure at 510.50. So let me just adjust that. So here, scratch what I said about the 509.30. $510.50. Look for a failure to go against there, and we would target to the downside, and the same, but just vice versa to the upside with $506.50. I might have made it sound a little bit confusing, so if you do have any questions, please feel free to comment below. I'll be happy to speak with you. With that being said, again, day trading knockouts. Misspoke again. I try to sound professional, but you know how it is. I'm just trying my best, guys. See you on the next video.